Let's go.
Please ban a hero.
Ban a hero? Sino bang iba ba natin? Si Saber? Saber? Ano?
The enemy is picking.
Ako, putay tayo dyan. May Saber nga.
I am a daughter of Northern Vale.
Your team is
I
picking.
swear to protect it till my last breath.
Mi!
I am
Layla
more
Mi!
than a weapon.
Ako na yan. Ayaw mo? One. Ow.
Ready?
The enemy is
go!
Akala ko, hindi ako eh. Ay, nako. Uy, win-win.
To me, fun is all that matters.
Malakas tong win-win.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Win-win. Ako, may istis kami. Sana istis.
This land is our homeland,
Istis.
and it will soon be your burial ground.
Istis. Istis ka na, pre.
Mighty oaks from little acorns grow.
Istis ka na, pre. Istis, pre. Istis ka,
I
pre.
am the priestess of primal lightning,
picking.
the hunter
Istis,
of
pre.
all the evil gods.
Istis. Kayang-kaya yan, maniwala ka. Ay, batay tayo dyan. Ayaw mag-istis. Nako po. Tigril na lang, tigril.
My mission is to protect my
Nako, Carmela. Patay tayo dyan. Mahina itong Carmela. Ay, nako. Ay, lapu-lapu. Dapat may Magellan eh. Oh. Magellan landed in Cebu City. Raha humabon met him. They were very happy.
Welcome to Noble Legend.
All people will baptize
Reaches the battle.
under the name of Christ.
All troops deployed.
Understood.
It's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them, everyone.
Understood.
But Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore. Drag Magellan to go back home. When Magellan got so mad,
Understood.
orders went to camouflage. Mactan Island, they could not grab.
When pointing at that guy.
Lapu-Lapu is very hard. And the battle began at
That
dawn.
once little girl.
Bullets and spears versus guns and cannons. Magellan guns and snake. Malakas.
Ever thought about getting some
Malakas
training
yung
at Refugio?
kalaban. Malakas yung kakampi. Magellan got so mad. Others meant to camouflage. Kalan.
You to justice!
Ay shit, one hit.
I would never back down.
Akin yun.
Enemy has been slain.
Ah.
Bullseye! Request backup. The gun represents justice.
When Magellan began at dawn, nagbattles began at dawn. Bullets and spears versus guns and cannons. Aray, aray, aray! Gagi, ba't mo pina-is yun? Tay tayo dun. Taranta dun, 1-1 yun ah.
Spur of the moment decision.
Akala mo 1-1, kayang-kaya mo ako ah.
You can always find your own path. Request backup. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
When the battle began at dawn.
Gun represents justice. We're pointing at that guy.
Lala, lala.
Down. Target locked. Through science, Eruditio aims to create a better future for
The
all.
battle began at dawn.
Push first. Time to shine. That one
Mamaya yan,
girl
lalambot ka rin
is
yan.
gonna save someone this time. Initiate retreat.
Huwag
Understood.
ka magpa-is ha. Tapos idadamay mo akong animal ka.
Backup. Ally has been slain. Bullseye! Initiate retreat. Okay. Now I know better. I'm stronger. Open fire!
Double kill.
Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry.
The gun represents justice.
Feeling mo lang yung malakas ng
Pointing at
dalawa.
bad guys.
Feeling mo lang yun. Huwag kang magtiwala sa tank niya.
Shut down. The enemy has slain the turret.
Goodbye.
Destroyed a turret.
Torrid.
That once little girl is gonna save someone. An enemy has been slain.
Naka-isa.
Don't underestimate me. Jack, bullseye. The gun represents justice. Your team destroyed the turret. That guys. My this city.
Takot yung 1-1.
I won't let anything happen to it.
Launch attack. Let the shining star show you the way. Ally has been slain. Killing spree.
Sabi ko sa'yo 1-1 eh. Mag-ako eh.
Now I know better and stronger.
Ala! Ako namatay! Puta. Gagi na yun.
Turret has been destroyed.
Ako hindi ko lang putik. Sana yung 1-1. Puro pare.
Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack.
More firepower this time.
Nagpupush ang 1-1 ha. Magpupush ka 1-1 ha. Gigi. Push ka. Push 1-1. Push ka 1-1. Palagan kita. Dito eh. Wala. Umuwi ang animal.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Kaya mo ko nun, di palag ka. Yan, hamunin ko ano wala. Ito. Isang kaya. Iyak ang 1-1 ng putik.
Through science,
Mapalag ka sa Layla.
create a better future for all.
Layla lang sa kalam, 1-1.
Stop right there.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, abutin ka eh. Ay. Ano yan, 1-1.
That once little girl is gonna save.
Turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
The gun represents justice.
Pointing at the has been slain. Inhibitor turret is under attack. You destroyed a turret.
That once little girl is gonna save someone.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Request backup. Has been destroyed.
I'll bring you to justice.
Time is under attack.
Balik ka dito.